Okay, we have this Windows Admin Center. So then what? Then we can use it to do something. We used to install the roles and features from the GUI interface. Now we can use this one. If you have a server core, basically, this is the good way. For example, you want install domain service, CP role, DNS, file storage service, printer. Okay, we will install a couple of them to see what's going to happen. Installing roles, calculation, takes time. Okay, it asks me those will be installed. So I will say yes, and reboot server, installing.